Hello, Math 1. Today is 9/11/2019, and the topic is function notation. This is week 6. So at the top of your page, function notation with a week 6. Function notation, week 6. What? Micah, what's the learning goal?
I can explain the concept of a function and use function.
Excellent. And not JJ. Aiden. And why?
Functions are driving force behind apps. I want to be able to use and create.
Imagine a GPS, you put it in the destination, and out comes the directions. Imagine a cash register, you put in the price of some items, and out comes the total of tax. This idea of putting something in and getting something out is the idea of a function. We're going to do it today with numbers, but this is most of life. There's inputs and outputs. Something goes in, something else comes out. So we'll look at it at a really fundamental or basic level with math. So this is a function. This is read as f of x. X is the input. And this chunk right here gives the output. So those are the parts of the function. I'm going to start making this function work. And I want you to see if you can figure out how it works. So JJ, give me a number. And don't get crazy on the numbers, because otherwise my head will hurt.
3.
11.
Okay, 11.
You put in a 3, out comes 11. Jackson, give me a number.
5.
You put in a 5, out comes a 15. Aiden, put in a number. 3. 3?
Did you repeat that?
We did.
13.
2. Out comes a 9. Who thinks they know how it works? Okay. I'm going to give you a number. You tell me what comes out. 4. Good. You think you know how it works? I'm going to give you a number. You tell me what comes out. 1.
7.
Jackson, you think you got it? -2.
1.
Nice. You got it, JJ? I'll give you a number. 10.
25.
Good. You got it? -5. 0. 2.
9.
So what's going on? Who can explain it to me? Jackson, explain it. So if I say, so what I'm finding, I want to know what is, find, in your notes, f of 3. What I'm saying is, what's the input? 3, because that's the input. And now you're going to show me how do I get that output. So how do I take this 3 and turn it into the 11? How do I do that, Jackson?
You plug it in for x.
Exactly. So plug 3 in for x. That's exactly how you do it. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 5 is 11. That's a function. And we can do this over. Give me a number, Chris. 5. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Give me a number, Maddie.
7.
2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 9. Yes?
14.
14. 2 times 14 is 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. Yeah, I don't know why I look up what I like the answers on
What
this.
about 35?
35.
Nice.
2 times 35 is 70. Plus 5 is 75.
And what about 42.8?
42.8 would be, oh my gosh, 42.8 would go to 85.6 plus 5 is whatever that is. Come on.
91 point something. I poked myself in the eye.
So there it is. If I plug in a 3, it's going to be 2 times 3 plus 5, which is 6 plus 5, which is 11. That's how I evaluate a function. 5-second count for some questions here. Aiden.
So what is the F?
So the F is just the way we show it. It's a mathematical language, and we call it F of 3, function of 3. We also use G's, H's, like H of X, F of X, G of X, K of X. It's just this letter that we use. Yes?
So if you were trying to find the function, you would put F and then the function besides X.
So let me do another one to see if it helps. So here's the function. The function is F of X equals X squared plus 2X plus 5. That's the function.
Wouldn't it be like anything?
Yeah, I made this up. I can make up functions all day long. F of X equals 2X minus 27. F of X equals 2X squared plus 4X minus 18. F of X, G of X equals absolute value of X minus 8. H of X equals 3X squared minus pi. So the functions I'm making up, it's how do we use the functions. It's like, now let's put something into it and see what comes out of it. So in this guy, we're going to put in a 5. If you put in a 5, talk to your neighbor what comes out of it. If you plug in a 5, what would come out? You think it's 12.5. You can also recognize that all the work and the answer is currently projected on the screen. Question, or do you have the answer? Well, look at the screen. Do you have the answer?
Yes.
Okay, good. There you go. You can check your own logic.
I got it right.
Yeah, good. It gives you instant feedback. It's like that. Mine are almost like that. Ah, it's true. You taking any notes today?
Kind
Okay. Part of the note-taking process is getting you ready for high school and college. You're practicing the note-taking process because you're going to need it next year. Yeah. I mean, and I know a lot of people think, no problem, next year I'll just ramp it up right away. That's like me saying, hey, I'm going to run a marathon, and I'll just ramp it up the day before. You don't ramp it up. You practice those skills you need. So walk me through this. Nico, walk me through it. So how do I find f of 5?
Plug in 5 for the x.
Good. What's that going to give me right here?
25.
Good. And what's that going to give me right here?
10.
That's a function. And the really cool thing that you're not going to learn in this class is you can actually nest functions. You can find f of g of x. You can actually do a function of a function. You'll learn that in high school. It's kind of fun when it happens. All right, I need whiteboards and markers, and let's do some functions. Jordan's having a good day. Let's enjoy the song.
Oh, okay.
So if you move it right,
Sounds like the cut.
Someone was right.
well, if you found the function right, if you wrote it down, you would write f parentheses.
Right, so this is f of 6 equals, well, it would be f of x equals 2x plus 9. And then I use that to find f of 7, or f of 8, or f of whatever I want.
So if you were to write, the function is the f and the number.
So this is the f of x equals 2x plus 9. This is the function right here. It's a different language. You're learning a mathematical language here. Okay, this one. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. Find a yes. No. Find a person that has a yes and talk to them. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. 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 No.
I multiplied it by 12 on accident.
Yes. 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 What's your final answer? Oh, that's what, okay. I just see this hand. That's cool. It's neat. It's like a bottle on a string.
It's like 12 accents. What is it?
I bet it's negative 34.
Okay. That's a weird fish.
Negative 34. Trent, walk me through it.
Okay, so you do negative x, or negative 6 times 4, which is negative 24, minus 10, which is negative 34.
Good. Did you catch your error?
Yeah.
I think you multiplied wrong. Okay, Chris, Maddie. So negative 6, what's 4 times negative 6? Negative 24 minus 10? Negative 34. I take this number and I put it right there, and then I work through the math. Next one. Oh, before we do the next one, look at me. If I say no to you, you go talk to a person that got a yes and have them explain it to you. Ooh, there are going to be a lot of no's.
Oh.
No. Yep. No. No. Yes. Got one yes so far. No.
What?
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
No. No. Yes. 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 No. No. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I see
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Oh.
No.
Wait.
Yeah, you guys help each other. Yeah. All my yeses help the no's.
Who needs help?
I'm doing it right now.
I don't know. I was
Yes. Yes. Mr. Fisher.
Is this correct?
Yes. Yes.
I got it.
Yes. Okay. Next one. Twist. Dance.
It's beautiful.
Let me do the problem in my head. I know, I do it in my head sometimes. All right, I'm done half the answer now. I'm done disagreeing. I disagree. I disagree. Yes. No.
What the heck? That makes
Yes.
sense.
No.
I did my math.
No, no.
Oh, right.
Hey, Micah, you wanna have that?
Yes.
No, I get it.
No.
What did I do?
That's not an answer. Yes. No. It should be a single number for the answer. No. Yes. No.
Let's go.
Wait.
I got a yes.
Yes. Yes.
Wait, that was like, I got seven. Oh, wait.
No. That's not the one.
I know what I mean.
No. Are you angry?
No,
You seem angry.
That's
Yes.
Oh
No.
my gosh, I forgot.
Is 8, and then plug in negative 3.
No.
Which would be negative 6. So 8 is negative 2.
I got it. Like,
Yes.
this means this.
Yes.
Well,
Yes.
when I put the 7, I meant to put negative, but it ended up with negative. I forgot.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
You did.
Yes, ma'am.
It all started with Micah, and all the knowledge is spreading out.
It's like a tsunami.
Plug in negative 6.
It's the knowledge tsunami. Yes.
We should make a website. Knowledge
Knowledge.
tsunami.
It probably
To
exists.
the power of 2.
Knowledge
Would be
tsunami.
negative 4, and then 4 times e times 7.2.
You don't want to have a website you can't spell, like knowledge.
It's,
No,
it
it's
starts with
negative
T
10
everywhere.
and
Yeah,
negative
TS.
It's just,
And
it's
then
tsunami.
then 4
It's
times
TS,
tsunami.
it's like TS.
And then
TS,
plug in negative 2
and
to this thing, and it's negative 6. And 8 plus negative 6 is 2.
Yes.
And then minus 9 is negative 6.
Website blocked.
All right. Miranda, walk me through it.
So you multiply like the square negative 2 times itself. Yeah, and you input it for x. And so you multiply negative 2 by negative 2, and you get 4.
Okay, so I've got 2 times 4 plus
3 times negative 2 is negative 6.
negative 6 minus 9. So 2 times 4?
8.
8 minus 6 minus 9. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 9 is negative 7. Next one. Oh. Well, what is this and how does this work?
Absolute
Oh.
value.
I like this. Okay.
I must think first. Oh. No, no. Yes.
What?
Yes, yes.
What?
Yes.
Yes.
Ah!
I forgot how to do absolute value at first. So this time ago.
No, no, yes. No.
I remember absolute value.
Yes, yes.
Wait, Trent, do you know what absolute value is?
Yes.
Can you come over here?
Yes. Yes. No. Jackson's staring me down.
Well, no, I didn't mean to say
No,
it.
no, you're good, you're good.
That's a 4, by the way.
This is a yes, by the way.
Let's go.
Yes, yes, yes.
Try not to read
Trent gave me that carry.
Yes.
Oh my.
Patrick.
What are you talking about?
You know what SpongeBob is?
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Not SpongeBob.
Yeah, I don't know who he is.
Is
Alright.
this a yes?
Is that a 14?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Walk me through it, Bradley. Walk me through this.
You You put the -5 in the absolute value spot and it turns into a positive 5.
So -5 turns into a positive 5, so now I have 2 times 5 plus 4.
Then you get 10 plus 4,
10 plus 4,
and it's 14.
14. Ooh. Oh, I'm so ready for some no's. Give me a second. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Yes. No, yes. No, yes.
Did you get it right?
No, yes. No. Yes. Yes. Yes.
I thought it was 28%.
Chris? Yes.
I have a feeling this is wrong, so.
It is incorrect. No, no. Go find a yes. Go get a yes. No.
Wait.
Yes.
So we have -3
Yeah.
Yes, Mr.
I'm a smarty
Fisher.
pants.
No. Is that 3 no's in a row? Is that 2 no's in a row or 3? No. Go talk to a yes. 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 Keep going. You're good. You're good.
Well, we haven't ran for it.
Oh, I didn't.
Bradley, that is correct. All right, Presley.
That's it?
Gordon, sit plots. Nico,
2 times 7 plus 4.
I'm helping everybody. Nico, ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. See this -3? Putting it right here. What's -3 minus 4? -7. What? What's the absolute value of -7? Positive 7. Absolute value makes everything positive. So right now I have 2 times 7 plus 4. 2 times 7?
14.
14 plus 4?
18.
18. Now, yes, you got your
I
yes.
added the 4 to 14 and got 20, so that's what I did.
4 to 14.
Yes, I did
Oh,
which one?
no, why?
Square roots? Oh.
Wait, does it go all the way or just to 19?
The square root of x plus 19.
Okay.
I don't know what is square root of.
Don't we have square roots on calculator?
I used to look at mine. How does it work for -3%?
No, no, no.
What?
I don't think.
I did it wrong.
Okay.
It's okay. I
Yes.
didn't really do it.
I have one yes so far, yes.
What is square root of?
Get a no and then yes. Go talk to a yes.
Who's gonna get? Me.
Yes.
So, you know what square root is?
No, yes, yes.
Which is
So,
Yes, I do.
16.
I'm a smarty pants.
Minus
I'm not helping the bar.
16.
Yes. On the first try? Yes. Just keep going with it.
Oh. Does anybody know how?
Yes.
I'm a smarty pants.
Yes. Yes.
What times?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, I can't explain this.
Did he help?
No. Because he can't explain what a square root means.
Square root. What's the square root of
Because that's
4?
the square root.
2. Because 2 times 2 is
It's
4.
4 times.
What's the square root of 9? 3.
Yeah.
Because 3 times 3 is 9. What's the square root of 16?
Is it 4?
It is. Why?
Because 4 times 4 equals 16.
What's the square root of 25?
5.
Why?
Biggest 5 times itself equals 25.
That's fine. So walk me through this. Walk me through it, Jackson. No, Smarty Pants.
Yes.
Walk me through it.
All of it?
Yep, right here.
Okay. So you plug that in, and you do -3 plus 19, which is 16. And then the square root of 16 is 4. So then you do 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 4 is 12. And I'm Smarty Pants, just saying.
She's just saying.
Just saying.
What'd you get on
Oh.
What did you say?
What did you get on the last test?
Well, we are not going to talk about that. 'Cause this
We're not.
test is it's a new beginning.
All right.
What did you get on the last test?
What I'd like you to do now
Come on.
is start in the IXL. It's probably going to take a whiteboard. If you want to do it on a whiteboard, I'm okay with that because it's not a lot of steps to show. And
Wait, what do you mean? You said.
so when you're solving equations, a whiteboard isn't very good because there's so much going on. For these guys, I'm doing them in my head practically.
Me too.
But if you need more, use a whiteboard. That's it. Thanks for watching. Smarty Pants, come on. Outro.
Ooh, Smarty Pants.
Does another Smarty Pants want to do it with me?
Is there another Smarty Pants out there?
Yo, wait, no.
Wait, how many
Yo,
people
I
have
should
the
me and
fan
Jordan-
Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's enough.
Me and Jordan both.
Oh,
have
no.
the test.
I want to do the how to do a fan bun on a whole nother video.
Okay.
Okay, you can just come and be a Smarty Pants though. All right.
Do you subscribe?
One, I'm a Smarty Pants. Subscribe and like, and drop a comment and donate.
Oh, make sure you hit that bell so that people will know
You could've
when
done
we're doing another live.
Okay, and most importantly, bring me a burrito.
Yes.